Pakistan Resolution Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm in Paris. National anthem was played. Addressing the gathering, Ambassador of Pakistan, Amjad Aziz Qazi shed light on the significance of Pakistan Resolution Day. He expressed pleasure noting that the occasion was being celebrated jointly by all political, social and religious parties under one roof. The ambassador also congratulated the organizers Yasir Qadeer, Sahibzada Atiq-ur-Rehman and Qazi Amir. Other speakers also expressed their views on Pakistan Day. Pakistani children presented a tableau.